In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moon phases indicators on TradingView Pro in a quick and easy way. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. The moon phases indicator will simply overlay on top of whatever chart you're currently viewing. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools, including built-in indicators, community scripts, and more. When the indicators window opens, you'll see different categories. Here, you'll want to click on the section labeled Technical. This filters the list down to technical tools and indicators that are relevant to chart analysis, which is where the moon phases indicator will appear. Now, inside the technical section, look for the search bar. This is typically at the top of the indicators panel. Click into that search field so you can start typing. Using the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through a long list. With the cursor in the search box, type in moon phases. As you start typing, TradingView will narrow down the results automatically. You should see an indicator related to moon phases appear in the list. Once you see it, click on it one time. As soon as you do, TradingView will add it directly onto your chart. You'll now notice small icons or markers along the bottom of your chart, indicating different lunar phases, such as new moons and full moons. You can hover over these markers to see more detail or adjust the settings of the indicator if you want to customize how it looks. For example, you might change the colors or visibility so it fits better with your existing chart layout. If you're not on TradingView Pro yet and you want to follow along exactly as I'm doing it, use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you'll have access to the same tools and layout I'm showing here, and it can make your learning process much smoother. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly add moon phases indicators to your TradingView Pro charts and start incorporating lunar cycles into your market analysis.